Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you how to create a sector-wise watch list in TradingView in 2026 so that you can organize your stocks better. So first of all, you need to use the link that is given in the description. This way you will be landed here on this Black Friday deal. So if you were looking for the huge discounts on the TradingView premium subscriptions, you can just check out this page where you can get up to 80% off plus 1 month absolutely for free. Only 2 days left in this deal, so if you are interested, make sure that you hurry and explore the offers. Now on tradingview.com, first of all, log in into your account if you haven't already. Click on the option of products in order to launch the chart in front of you. Over here, simply hover over to the right hand side, then click on the option of screeners. Here by default, the stocks option will be available in front of you. So you can also change it to any other things, like when you click on this option, you can also look for the screeners for cryptos. So currently for stocks, simply change your market. After doing so, simply go to the option of sectors. Over here, you can enable any type of sector. For example, let's say I want to see the stocks that have basically available in the communications sector. Then the filter will be applied and you will see all of the stocks here. Now select that particular stock or the list of the stocks which you want to add in your watch list. Now hover over to the add watch list option. Now you can select whether you want to add it in your existing watch list or you want to create a new list. So since it is relating to communication, I would recommend you to create a new list and give that folder a name as communications. Now once you select that option, it is going to show you this pop-up that says with the basic plan you can't actually use multiple watch lists option, but if you apply to the subscription, you will get this particular feature. So currently they are also giving you 80% discount. So if you are interested, make sure that you go with it because you will get 1 month additional absolutely for free. So here, once you have created your watch list section or the folders with different names, you will be able to add them with the help of the screeners option very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.